Hi, hello there, my name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. Today's video I am super excited about because today we are going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a sort of quarterly subscription box where you get a new box every season. The box is valued at over $200 and the box itself retails for 49 bucks. However, there are always discount codes and I was able to get my box for around the $39 price range. I personally have never ordered a FabFitFun box, so this is my first time ever unboxing one, and I am so excited to be sharing this with you. So if you're as curious as I am as to what is in this box, then keep on watching. So just to preface this video, I believe I got to choose 3 things that are in here. However, I only remember one of them, so this should be just as much a surprise to you as it is to me. Let's go ahead, get our nail tool and open this bad boy up. I'm so excited, you guys. And also, this video is absolutely not sponsored. I paid for this myself. Okay, here we go. Okay, so there's a lot of things going on here. We have a whole bunch of like magazines. We have a Bright Sellers $45 credit. What? That's pretty cool. We have a 14-day free trial of HBO Max. And I have a HelloFresh coupon. Okay, pretty cool. And a sticker. So first thing I see here is this little below the belt sort of card holder. I actually really enjoy wallets like this. The one I have right now is very similar to this, however it's white. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so this is really cute. I like the red color of it. It has a little zipper on the back. Is this gonna hold a whole lot of stuff? No, however, I do enjoy little things like this, so I'm excited to have it. Ooh, okay, I remember choosing this. This is a blanket. This is the Unhide blanket. Let me go ahead and open it up. Oh, it is soft. Okay, so yeah, this blanket is super soft, feels super luxe and fluffy. I'm so excited to snuggle up with this later. We got a Kind bar. Does anybody else receive a single Kind bar in their FabFitFun boxes? I'm a little confused by this. Not mad, I'll eat it. A little confused about this because I have watched FabFitFun unboxing videos and I don't think anybody's ever pulled out a Kind bar, to my knowledge at least. I don't know if someone boxing this up accidentally dropped this in my box, but okay. Okay, so next up I got a Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I've never tried out anything from Tula, so this is really interesting. I'll just go ahead and swatch it and see how it feels. Okay, it feels very hydrating. I'm excited to use this later tonight whenever I'm doing my skincare. Next up, I got an Aesthetica liquid eyeliner. Let me see what kind of component this is in. Okay, wow, very interesting. This eyeliner is very reminiscent of my Wet N Wild Megaliner, so I'm excited to try this out. I'll let you guys know if I end up liking this because the Wet N Wild Megaliner is my favorite of all time. I use it every single time I do my makeup, so I'm excited to have a different brand that is similar to this that I can try out and hopefully like it. Next here we have a Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser
with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark.
I'm gonna smell it. Let's see what it smells like. It smells cooling. Kind of smells like a man. Nice. In my November boxycharm, I received a Dr. Brandt antioxidant spray toner, and I've been using this the past couple weeks and it hasn't broken my skin out or anything like that. So I'm excited to use this Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. Hopefully it works and hopefully it purifies my pores. Next here we have the Daily Facial Dry Brush.
Why? What?
Very interesting. It says here for radiant looking skin, best results incorporated into the AM routine. Use only on dry, freshly clean skin. Wetting this brush will damage the integrity and quality of it. So this is basically supposed to like exfoliate your face, but you can only use it on your face dry. That's why it's called a dry brush. I've never tried one of these out, so I'm excited to use this. This is probably one of the least exciting things in here so far, but that's okay. And it does say this is cruelty free and vegan. Okay, so it is just a really tiny brush. It does have some more coarse bristles on it. Some have just fallen out, unfortunately. Okay, I'm excited to try this and see if it works. Alright, so this is one thing I do remember picking out. I know what this is. So this is a mug set I got from Lily Pulitzer. I think I'm pronouncing that correct. These are absolutely beautiful. I love the gold detail on the handle, and on the inside of the mug it says Lily, and it looks like a little cat sunflower is on the inside as well. And this did come with 2 mugs, and I thought these were just absolutely gorgeous. That's why I chose them. I'm really excited about these and to use them. They're very heavy, very luxurious, and they're beautiful. So last but not least, in our FabFitFun box, I got a set of cutting boards. Very nice. I honestly needed a new set of cutting boards, if we're going to be honest. I'll just go ahead and open these up and show you what they look like. Alright, so this is what they look like. We have a light green, a yellow, and a red. They do have little pictures on them, basically just showing what you could use them for, and to help you keep your cutting boards clean between vegetables and meats, because sometimes if you cross-contaminate, that's just a whole other mess. I am happy about these, and I'm excited to try them out. It says here they're dishwasher safe. Very nice. Alright you guys, so unfortunately with the FabFitFun box, I didn't receive a card showing the estimated prices on everything, so I went ahead and did a little bit of investigation to find out how much each individual thing costs, and it seems here the Unhide Lil Marsh blanket retails for $65, which covered the price of the box and some, and I'm excited about that. The eyeliner, I couldn't get a definitive price on it. However, it seems as this retails for $18. The Tula Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm retails for $30. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Cleanser retails for $36. The Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush, I couldn't find a definitive price on this. However, it seems as though it's retailing at $10.95 on most websites that I checked. The Epari cutting boards retail for $19.95. The Below the Belt Crock card case retails for $35. And our Lily Pulitzer ceramic mug set retails for $42. Alright, so I went ahead and did some math on everything that we have here. I am not very good at math, so the probability of my calculations being incorrect is very possible. But I added everything up, and it seems as though our total price of the entire box is $255.95. Wow, what a freaking deal.
It's a hell of a deal.
So the real question is, would I purchase from FabFitFun again? Would I renew my subscription? And the answer is yes. I am very pleased with everything that I received in my box today. I think I got a good variety of things. Everything is beautiful, nothing is broken or gross, anything like that. This is stuff that I feel like I'm gonna use. I'm very happy with the blanket, the cutting boards, the Dr. Brandt skincare, the mug set. So I'm very pleased with everything, especially after my last unboxing video with BoxyCharm and IPSY. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description box down below or in a card right up here. This box, like I said earlier, I paid roughly $39 for it because I found a couple of coupon codes, and that is the price basically of the BoxyCharm base box and the IPSY base bag combined. So I would trade those 2 boxes in for one FabFitFun box any day based on my last unboxing of BoxyCharm and IPSY. Alright you guys, well that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I had so much fun filming this today. If you did enjoy this video, be sure and give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Everything that I have on my face will be linked in the description box down below, as well as all of my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy holidays to you. Bye!